Pumpkins, Orange and Plump by Martha E. H. Rustad, illustrated by Amanda Enright. Chapter 1. Planting a Pumpkin Patch. It is spring, but I am thinking about fall. Let's grow pumpkins in the garden. We make little hills in the soil. My hands get dirty. We plant 2 or 3 seeds in each hill. Gardeners leave lots of space between hills and a pumpkin patch. Pumpkin vines can grow as long as 30 feet or 9 meters. We dig moats around the hills. Then we water the seeds. Sunshine warms the wet soil. Later, the seeds crack open. Tiny roots grow down. Moats around pumpkin hills help the soil stay wet. Wet soil is good for the seeds. It keeps them from drying out. 2 weeks pass. Look, I see tiny seedlings. Little leaves grow from thin vines. The vines spread out. Curly tendrils grab onto other plants or fences. Pumpkins need long vines to grow. Small tendrils help the vines spread out. Sometimes gardeners guide the vines so they grow in the right direction. Chapter 2. Flowers and Pumpkins. Now it's summer. Look, I see yellow flowers on the vines. Male flowers have pollen inside them. Female flowers have a bump. Bees spread pollen from one flower to another. The bump will grow to be a pumpkin. A pumpkin's female flower opens for only one day. The flower closes at the end of the day. Little green pumpkins begin to grow. I water the plants every week. They start small and grow bigger all summer. Leaves take in warm sunlight. Sunlight becomes food for the growing pumpkin plant. Pumpkins take about 100 days to grow. The biggest pumpkins can gain up to 25 pounds, 11 kilograms, in a day. Finally, it is fall, harvest time. Cool air and short days tell the pumpkins to stop growing. Their skin turns orange. The leaves turn yellow. I'm ready to pick one. Most ripe pumpkins are orange, but some kinds are green, white, blue, or red. All pumpkins are green when they first begin to grow. Chapter 3. Using pumpkins. Let's make pumpkin pie. Splash, we wash the pumpkin skin. Chop, we cut up the pumpkin and bake the pieces. We scoop out the soft flesh and make a pie. It smells delicious. Yum! Buckskin, small sugar, and winter luxury are types of pumpkins that taste good in pies. Let's carve a pumpkin. We cut open the top. We scoop out the seeds. Pumpkins with a lot of ridges have a lot of seeds inside them. Smooth pumpkins have fewer seeds. We cut out 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Don't forget the candle. Yikes, our jack-o'-lantern looks spooky. I saved some of the pumpkin seeds. I will plant them next spring. I will think about my pumpkin patch all winter long. How big will my pumpkins grow next year? Atlantic Giant and Big Mac's pumpkins grow really big. The heaviest pumpkin ever weighed 1,725 pounds, 782 kilograms. That's about as heavy as a cow.